Final update on Baba Ijesha's case. Yes, this one I really dey praise at the final one because this one you don't even pass a Indian movie anyhow. For una wey no know, una don dey wonder because I know see many people don't argue. Everybody don't bring their own part. Umbanu, they don't finally grant am bail. Oh. Yes, I know say they pay una as they pay me. See, they pay me. Forget that nonsense. They pay me because this. Make I no stress am. The reason why I dey here now, as soon as they see me like this, now because of one lawyer we come outside, the yarn nonsense, the open mouth, you don't understand. Like as I dey watch the man, if they do me make a just no problem. According to the man, after they grant Baba Ijesha bail, he come outside. I don't know why God even gives some people phone. Person like this one not supposed to get phone. Video itself, they talk. I go tell na wetin he talk word by word, same English. He say, this is a very good news for us. Us. Victory is not only for Baba Ijesha alone. It's for everybody. Take note, us, everybody. Rights and laws must be respected. I beg, before I go, because as a day like this, if they give me a chance, this man he go disappear. So before I make him disappear, I want me to listen and watch with now. I put the video, make them watch.
This is very good news for us, and it is not a victory for even Baba Ijesha himself alone. It's for everybody. Everybody. Rights must be respected, laws must be respected. The idea of mob lynching, the idea of lopsided action when it comes to rights and privileges of fellow citizens should be decried.
Person una just watch now, he get daughter. No, in case una no know, not be even daughter, he has children. This one, well, no, this Agbaya, we una just watch, he get pikin, and among his children, there are female ones inside. Let me tell you something. Old age and education, no, they guarantee wisdom. No, no be joke. Old age, the first say you dey old, no mean say you get sense. The fact say you go school, no mean say you get sense. Many people no even know what this school gate be like. But if they come outside, they talk. If they reason with you, you go they wonder, this one travel, I be this one go. Also, no victory. Victory. No, the victory now for who and who. I bet who say this man when they count me inside. Hey, Chineke. Victory is for everybody. Agbalagba like Baba Ijesha rape small pikin, and this one they come outside, they talk about victory. I no dey understand who buy some people brain. No, una know wetin we dey talk about. Adult rape, the fact wey the girl is already 14 no be even my problem. The initial part of this matter when she was 7, I don't know. When do they think of this thing? How the thing they do now for body like una they? I don't understand. Now people like this man who commit crime. Yes. Now people like him, in fact they encourage people to commit crime. Wait till they am I? After all, is it not to pay? They go pay me. I have rights. Laws and rights must be respected in this country. Lawyer. Please, I know they're against laws. I know they're against rights. But my question now be say, you want to talk about laws and rights in Nigeria, Mr. Lawyer. Ungwanu, I know study law, but you see this matter, I go drag on with you. You want to talk about rights and laws in this country? Oh yeah, no problem. Why don't you start from Aso Rock? Yes. The same people who wanna put for those seats, do they observe laws and rights? Okay, this one is too small. Wetin happen to laws and rights with the children where they under bridge, where they hungry? No, where was this lawyer? Wanna just watch when they were killing innocent protesters, Lekki toll gate. What happened to the laws and rights? Okay, people no get right again. No, you no come outside tell us say we have right to protest. People have lost their lives. Now you feel you can come outside because it's about Baba Ijesha. I beg, stop glorifying rubbish all in the name of law and rights. What did they work some people? Wetin I don't notice be say many people they just come outside to talk wetin they want to talk because they just feel like we should see your face. Bros, you are ugly in the first place, so I know they see who they come watch your face. Just imagine how many people now they support him. He's right. He's this one. I am not saying he's not right. Of course, only in the part where he say rights and laws must be observed or are respected. But why didn't they observe that rights and that law during all the times when they protest? Why they no observe van? Make person just answer me. Yeah? I don't know whose father is this. If you dey watch me, now your papa be this, come carry am. I don't know. I just dey talk. If he's your father, I be your uncle, your brother, you know him anyhow way you know. I beg, come carry am comot for this place. Mental health issues, they need to start the address am for this country. Don't too much. What it much? You don't over exceed limits. And for una way the supporter, continue. No, just continue. I just dey wonder. I know they pray, but I dey wonder if it was you, whether you go still dey shout, "He's right." Baba Ijesha now dey waka freely for road everywhere. You don't understand. Let's say now your papa own Nigeria now, they waka freely. Why? People like this don't go bail am. They say you have rights. Yeah, bring Baba Ijesha out. This one is just a short one, bros. I no get. Why everyone lie? I have a serious problem with you being babe, first of all. Secondly, this one a favor where I want to ask you for. You see that lawyer where we just watch, go after his daughter. Shekina, case closed. No, me, I like practical. You see all this plenty, you know they help, you know they solve anything. Practical. Baba Ijesha go after this man pikin. Then we go see whether this man go still come outside tell us say the rights and laws of this country must be observed. Are we done? Very good. Now the matter be this. Start the dropper for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If not, you know go get matter where go happen because Baba Ijesha, he go listen to me. He must go there. I beg, stay tuned for the next story.